spice up your life and prepare yourself for a tasty explosion. Because it's about to get hot in here. Fall is all about those colors that you want to snuggle up in, and what a joy it is to have a rich fall color on your nails wrapping around that steaming hot cocoa mug. We need colors that will warm us up during those chilly autumn days, and so Light Elegance is offering the perfect recipe for just that. Spice, a collection filled with exotic burnt oranges, rich browns, coppers and wines, and inspired by all the vibrant and exciting spices that can be found all around the world. The collections contain 12 spicy colors and hot sparkling glitters, and you don't have to worry about messing up the color combinations. All of these pots of fall perfection will go amazing together, no matter how you combine them. There's basically no way to fail here. In each collection, you'll also receive the swatch sticks and name tags. So without further ado, let's just dive into this pile of spicy colors. First color up is the Elegant and Warm Simmer Down, a brownish berry wine red with a blue undertone and a mauve touch. A cream that will go so well with all those knitted sweaters this fall. Well seasoned is your navy dark denim blue, so you might as well just pull those denim jeans and your denim jacket out of the closet and go all monochromatic with the stunning cream color. Add some rings to your fingers and you'll be the next Instagram fashion star. Holy Habanero is as hot as its name. This is a mix of pink, berry, and red with a pop, but still stays in the warm fall category. A color to draw a little bit more attention to your nails, and fingerless knitted gloves is a must for this look. Carry-on is that perfect burnt orange we all have been waiting for so long. Well, at least I have. This screams pumpkin spice lattes and spicy curries, a mix between orange and brown, the ultimate on-trend fall color. For all you hot chocolate lovers out there, CLOVE is a must. Like melted milk chocolate in a pot to put on your nails. You can't ask for anything better than that. A medium cream brown with a high level of coziness. You can't talk about spices without mentioning cinnamon. This is your cranberry wine with a slight pink shimmer, a rich and elegant color that will complement all of your fall outfits and give that perfect autumn touch. When there's a color collection, there will be glitters to complement them all, and the time has come to take a look at these spicy jewels. Inspired by the purple and black poppy seeds, this glitter takes it to the next level. Poppy seed comes with a black-purple base with pops of lighter and darker purple, a glitter that is both classy and sophisticated. Paprika is the fiery explosion of this glitter collection. A spice paprika orange with flashes of red and the perfect amount of copper. A glitter with a lot of contrast and depth, and a real showstopper. Could this finally be the perfect black glitter? Smokin' hot pepper has a deep black base with multicolored flashes, which will make you dream of galaxies and outer space. I would even dare to call this a finer version of Big Dipper. Prepare yourself for the big seller of this collection. Well, that is my professional glitter guess at least. Shake Your Salt Shaker is a rosy neutral with silver sparks. Sweet and elegant, and a new staple in every nail drawer. Feisty and spicy is the obvious glitter choice to combine with well-seasoned. A deep multi-blue glitter with mix of aqua, midnight, and sapphire. A must if you want to go for that blue and monochromatic look. If feisty and spicy is the other half of well-seasoned, then jive and ginger is the other half of CLOVE, a medium brown glitter with lots of copper flashes and lots of depth, like hot cocoa with a touch of chili. And there you have the full collection of the spices we provide in the Light Elegance Spice Cabinet this fall. Spice will be available to salon owners everywhere on August 3rd at lightelegance.com and the Light Elegance distributors. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!